This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Durango gas tank. For many newer Dodge Durango models, the process is quite simple. First, make sure your vehicle's doors are unlocked. Then, walk to the driver's side of your Durango and locate the fuel door. To open it, simply give the rear edge of the fuel door a gentle but firm push. It should pop open, giving you access to the fuel inlet. If you have an older Dodge Durango, the method for opening the gas tank might be different. Many models from previous years feature an interior release button. You'll usually find this button located on the driver's side, often positioned below the headlight switch or around knee level. Simply press this button, and you should hear the fuel door unlatch, allowing you to open it manually. Once your fuel door is open, you'll notice that many newer Dodge Durangos utilize a capless fuel system. This means there is no traditional gas cap to twist off or replace. Just insert the fuel nozzle directly into the opening to begin fueling. When you are finished, remove the nozzle and simply push the fuel door firmly back into place until you hear it click, ensuring it is securely closed. Should your fuel door ever get stuck or fail to open using the standard methods, there's an emergency release. Access the cargo area of your Durango, typically on the left-hand side. You'll need to locate a small access panel or storage compartment. Behind it, you should find a tether or a small button. Pulling this release will manually unlatch the fuel door. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.